You've probably heard people talking about ChatGPT everywhere lately, maybe on YouTube, in the news, at work, or even from friends and family. But for many people, one question still comes up. What exactly is ChatGPT? Let's simplify it. ChatGPT is an AI assistant created by OpenAI. You can think of it like a smart digital assistant that you can talk to using normal everyday language. You simply type a question, request, or idea, and ChatGPT responds in seconds. What makes ChatGPT so powerful is that it can understand language in a very natural way. That means you don't need technical skills to use it. You don't need to know coding. You don't need to know complicated commands. You just ask for what you need in plain English. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to explain something complicated in simple terms. You can ask it to write an email. You can ask it to help brainstorm ideas. You can ask it to summarize long information. You can even use it to help plan projects, solve problems, or learn new skills. This is why millions of people now use ChatGPT every day. But here's something important to understand. ChatGPT is powerful, but it is not perfect. It can make mistakes. It can sometimes give incorrect information, and it should not replace your own thinking or judgment. The best way to use ChatGPT is as a tool. Think of it as an assistant that helps you work faster, think better, and save time. Used correctly, ChatGPT can be incredibly helpful. It can help students learn faster. It can help business owners save time. It can help workers become more productive. And it can help everyday people solve problems more efficiently. So here's the big takeaway. ChatGPT is not magic. It's not human. And it's not something to fear. It's simply a powerful AI tool that can help people in real and practical ways. And learning how to use tools like ChatGPT is becoming one of the most valuable skills in today's world. That's exactly why understanding AI matters now more than ever. And that's exactly what Ask Andy AI is here to help with. Making AI simple, practical, and useful for real people. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Ask Andy AI, and I'll see you in the next video.